Hi everybody! Today we prepared delicious dishes for breakfast, made with eggs and vegetables. In these omelets I don't add any milk or cream. It will be only eggs and vegetables. Each omelet will be one portion or for one person. Let's begin! Our first omelet will be with parsley and green onion. You can also use dill or coriander or cilantro. You can also use spinach and other green leaves. I already washed all this. We cut finely parsley and onion. Put on heat medium skillet and add a little bit of oil of your choice. Now skillet is hot enough, so we add egg mixture. Lower the heat and cook covered. Now it's ready and it took only a few minutes. Next omelette will be with zucchini and onion. I will take part of zucchini, 111 gram, and I will take 1/4 of onion, so half onion 50 gram, 1/4 25 gram. Let's cut it, chop finely onion and slice finely zucchini. So we preheat the skillet with oil and begin frying zucchini. So we are frying on high heat until it turns a little bit golden brown. Now we pass to medium heat. omelette with zucchini is ready. And now let's prepare omelette with mushrooms. So I have 3 mushrooms and it's 80 grams. And also I will use half onion of 40 grams. Let's chop finely all this and fry. Refry on high heat. Add onion and continue frying. We are frying on medium heat. Now mushrooms are ready and we're gonna cool them a little bit. Now we cook on medium or low heat. Now it's ready. And now we prepare scrambled eggs with tomato and onion. Let's cut them. I use half big tomato. If it's small, take 1 whole. Preheat the skillet with oil. are using 5 fish. Now we cook on low heat. Now it's ready. And now we finish with omelette with broccoli and cheese. 30 grams of cheese, 60 grams of broccoli. You can use any cheese that you like. First of all, with a little bit of water, we cook broccoli just for 2 or 3 minutes. When broccoli is cooked, we cool it a little bit, and this part that is harder, we chop finely this way. So we cut cheese in small cubes. And now we add broccoli to eggs. Preheat skillet with oil. Turn on medium heat and add cheese. We have to put it evenly. Cook on low heat. Broccoli omelette is ready. Enjoy these delicious omelettes for your breakfast. And decide by yourself which one is tastier. Enjoy your meal and best wishes.